What's up, guys? We're here in Yannick Falls, Indian Leap, which is in Norwich. I'm out here with my buddy Andy. He does like a whole bunch of like film work. He has a darkroom in his basement. So if you want to see his stuff, I'll link his Instagram below so you can go follow him, check his stuff out.
I'll make it. This is just like straight down. I don't think there's anything under this. I think it's just a big giant snowdrift.
Andy just climbed like all the way down. Here, I'll show you.
I made it.
The famous last words. I'm gonna try to head down to where Andy just was, which is like right down here. See if I can get some shots down there.
A little squishy over here.
Yeah, I saw that. That goes underneath that too.
Yeah.
So you would just a little slippery. But right now I'm shooting with the wide angle on the 6D, so I'm gonna swap that out and take some pictures up this way. And put the telephoto on the 80D. Andy's over here doing some stuff. I'm gonna be shooting for a little bit, so I'm just gonna run like a little montage right now. There's like some cool like ice buildup on these little ranches right here, so I'm gonna getting some cool shots of that. Ridiculous, like taking pictures, the camera's taking pictures.
Inception.
Cameraception. 4 tripod pictures from Vanguard. They keep sending me new ones.
The quick move by this.
It like dips off, like right here, you can't see it, but there's like a hole like right there. Right, you just fall right in.
That sounds so cool over here. It's like a windy, rainy day.
Yeah.
Some Kodak Ektar 100. It's like the poor man color version of film. It's really good for landscape. It's really, really, really vibrant. It's got a real vibrant punch to it, especially towards the blues.
This guy knows his film.
I got wool socks on.
I do too, which is I'm surprised my feet are so cold.
Yeah. It's like an onion.
Yeah, yeah.
Right, it's like in layers.
Yeah, because it's underneath, it's totally solid.
Yeah, layers.
Get that broken glass down, yep. Alright, we're getting pretty cold. Pretty much finished shooting now, so I think I'm gonna end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed this one, exploring this like frozen waterfall basically. Put the pictures up at the end of the video as usual. Make sure you like this video, subscribe if you're not already. See you next week. Peace.
Like one of those 5-minute falling videos.